Welcome back. It's Jay, 7-Star Bricks. Today we're doing the TIE Fighter pilot. Set 75274, 724 pieces. This is a really cool looking set. I like the look of this TIE Fighter pilot helmet. So we're going to go ahead and put this thing together. You can see we got 6 bags, an instruction set, and a couple of stickers here. Let's go.
And that's bag one. So we've got the basic structure, underlying structure of the head, and the typical Lego color puke that they do when you're building the inside of something that you're never going to see. There's Technicolor craziness going on here. Bag two coming up. Alright, just like bag two of Boba Fett, bag two of the TIE Fighter pilot is the stand, or most of it, and the back of the helmet. This might be a little harder to see because it's all black. I had to actually turn on another light so I could see what it's doing. Well, that's pretty cool. It's funny how similar they are in the stand building and also how different. Like the same core concept, but many different parts used and different sections, like this gray section down here and these black sections here are totally different than the Boba Fett one. It's pretty cool though. Bag three on the way now. Bag three. Did some stuff on the front and some stuff on the side. It's kind of a short bag. Bag four. Bag four. See, we've got part of the face going on, well, front of the helmet.
going on. Get this side done. These tubes are supposed to be sticking out here, but it's easier to work on it when they're not sticking out. And it's easier to get things on here if you can hold the whole tube. Pretty cool looking so far. On to bag 5. Bag 5 is done. We just mirrored what we did on the other side. On to the final bag, bag 6. And there we have it, set 75274 TIE Fighter Pilot. This actually looks better in person than it does on the box art. I've got some extra whites on just to try to show you because it's super black. It's going to be hard to see a little bit of details. The only thing I found, these flex tubes are a little long, so you can see right there how there's some extra flex tube sticking out. So I might just take a pair of clippers to those and clip them a little shorter so you don't have this gray part sticking out there, but not a big deal. It's pretty cool. It's definitely a, oops, let me knock some pieces off. It's definitely a TIE Fighter pilot helmet. So yeah, that's cool. I definitely am not going to be building all of these helmets because I think the Stormtrooper looks terrible and Darth Vader looks terrible, but the Scout Trooper looks cool, so I'll definitely get that at some point too. And just for reference, here is Boba Fett next to the TIE Fighter pilot helmet. Boba Fett was 625 pieces and the TIE Fighter pilot helmet was 724. However, I got them both for $50 at Target. Wait for them to go on sale would be my advice. But yeah, both of these look good. Boba Fett obviously was my favorite one. I bought that one first. I still think that just looks really cool. But the TIE Fighter pilot looked really cool, and that was a Target and Lego store exclusive, so I wanted to get that before it was no longer available. And then I'll get the Stormtrooper Scout at some point. Thanks for joining me again, guys. I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see you here next time.